This is my first ever car wash centre. This is Swish car wash in Palmerston North. Used to be car and dog wash, Tremaine Avenue. Now I've noticed that the washes have actually changed bays. The touch-free used to be on the right, and they're actually moving, although someone has actually crashed into that NX22 and written it off. This is their brand new touch-free wash though that they've got. I've never used one of these before. And I need to do that window up, otherwise I'm getting wet. So this is a Petit Accutrac i350, i360 I think. Right, oh I better get my wallet out, hadn't I? So I can pay. Thing is normally when I use car washes, they're in petrol stations, so I don't have to worry about this. Right, so we want the Supreme corporate one. What's this brush? Yep, go. Okay, I'm going in. Oh! Yeah, because this bay used to have the NX22 in it, but they've put the i360 in this bay, and they have moved the NX22 to the bay that used to have the touch-free in it. And the old touch-free was actually a Wash World High Velocity, the original version. So we're getting soaked up. Now this is the first Petit car wash system in New Zealand. I think there's another one going in Christchurch soon, somewhere. So this is an American made system, and I believe that this is also one of the only car washes in the country, possibly the only at the moment, with off-board drying. So most car washes in this country have what they call on-board dryers, so the dryers move with the machine. This machine doesn't have that because it's designed for the US market. So we actually have drive-through dryers, which I've not done before. Personally, I'm not a big fan of off-board dryers. I prefer I prefer for the machine to do everything. I don't think I should have to do the drying myself. Right, we're all soaked up. The LED lights have a nice effect, don't they? Can't actually see what the car wash is doing at the moment though. Oh, here comes high pressure. Look at that. Wow. This is incredibly different to the types of touchless car washes I'm used to. Because we actually have two wash arms. Oh, this is nice. See the machine moving up there. So quick. It's a real shame what's happened to that NX22 next door though, isn't it? Someone's really bashed that in. Wonder what they'll replace it with. Oh. Drying time. So I need to drive very slowly tells me over there on that little timer how much dryer time I have left. So, but I only get one pass, so I need to make it last. 38 seconds. There you got 30 seconds. Seconds to slow down. Holy shit, look at that. That is bad. Okay, I'm out now. Jesus, that's bad. Look at that. Fucking hell. That's really been wrecked, hasn't it? Jesus. Yeah, that is ruined. Wow. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.